Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of how do you create a custom image from an existing VM. Apart from this, I'll show you in the lab can you create a custom image from a running VM or stop VM. Let's get started. In this lab, I'll show you how do you create a new custom image from an existing VM. As I mentioned all the steps here, you will go through it and create a new custom image based on your project requirement. And guys, as you can see here also, as I mentioned, the GCP CLI command based on your requirement, you can use this command and create a custom image based on your project requirement. I'll show you all the details in the lab so that you can easily understand it. In the first lab, I'll show you can we create a new custom image from running VM, and I'll show you also can we create a new custom image from stop existing VM. As you can see here, how many ways to create a new custom image in Google Cloud Platform. In the multiple ways guys, as you can see here, create from disk, create from snapshot, create from image, create from cloud storage file, create from virtual disk like VM, DK and VSG also. This is your GCP exam question guys, you can remember it. Now we'll navigate to the GCP console web portal page so that I'll show you all the details in the lab. As you can see here, this is a Compute Engine web portal page and one of the existing Linux server is available here now. The name of the Linux server as existing Linux server, as you can see here. Status of the Linux server is running now. Now I'll show you can we create a new custom image for a running existing Linux server. As you can see here, the Linux server is running now. Let's switch to the image web page guys. As you can see here, this is the image. Click on image here, then click on create image button here, then assign the name of the image, new custom image. Then guys, as you can see here, source, as you can select the multiple option is available here: disk, snapshot, image, cloud storage file, virtual disk. As I said guys, now I'll select here as disk, then I'll select as source disk as existing Linux server. Now guys, now you can see here one pop-up error is showing here. Now this disk is attached to a running instance. To create an image, you need to stop instance first or select the keep instance running. Guys, one option is available here in the below, keep instance running. Just select here keep instance running, then you can leave all the remaining field as it is, but in the project work you can select based on your region zone here. Then I'll click on create here, then wait a couple of seconds guys. As you can see here, the new custom image is creating now. Here the default disk size is 10 GB here guys. As you can see here, the new custom image is successfully created here now. Now guys, I'll show you in the another lab can we create a new custom image for a stop Linux server. Then I'll select the existing Linux server first here, then stop the Linux server here and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here, the instance is stopped now. Then switch to the image, click on image here, then click on create image here, change the name of the image here. My custom image. Then you can select source as disk. Then select source disk as existing server here. Guys, now as you can see here, there is no error is available here. Whenever you create a custom image, then you should first stop your existing server. Then you can create a custom image based on your project requirement. Now guys, I leave all the remaining field as it is. Then click on create button here and wait a couple of seconds guys. Guys, as you can see here, my custom image is creating here now. Click on refresh button here. Guys, as you can see here, my custom image is successfully created here now. If you want to delete your existing custom image, then select any one of the custom image here. Then click on delete. As you can see here, then click on delete and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here, the image is successfully deleted here now. Guys, now I'll show you how to create a new custom image using the GCP CLI command. As you can see here, this is a simple command guys. gcloud compute images create, then the name of the custom image here. As you can see here, CLI new custom image. Then add your project ID. Then source disk, you can select your name of the Linux server. Then select your zone and region as you can see here. Then press enter and wait a couple of seconds to create your new custom image. Now we'll navigate to the image web page. Then click on refresh. As you can see here, the new CLI new custom image is creating here now. Guys, as you can see here, the CLI new custom image is successfully created now and the status is showing as ready. Then click on image section, then click on refresh button here, and as you can see here guys, this is the CLI new custom image is available here now. Now I hope so you can easily create a new custom image using the GCP CLI command. Now you can understand how to create a custom image using the GCP console web portal as well as GCP CLI command. Guys, see you in the next session. Thank you and have a great day.